How to create subtask in Asana 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Asana and how you're going to be creating subtasks in it in the easiest and most simplest way. And to do so, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a proper paid off pricing on Asana. Now, once you're in Asana, right over here, to get the subtask features for yourself, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to make sure that you have tasks created. Now, once you've created tasks, you're going to go inside that task, and to add subtasks, you're going to come down here where it says add subtask and simply add your subtask like add design, add creative, and then you can add your very own features like add UI, UX, etc. And as you can see, just like this, you can add your very own subtasks, and it even shows right over here that subtasks have been added. So that is how you can create subtasks in Asana in the easiest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.